Hello YouTube, some of my friends, Moody's here. Today we are going to make a very simple unboxing for my new updated version of the HP Basic 3-in-1 printer and scanner and photocopier. This is an upgraded version which is wireless, which allows you to connect it through your Wi-Fi router for multiple devices access to it, and it has a LCD screen that shows you the number of copies that you would like to photocopy or something, so it's good. Anyway, I do have a USB port on my router already, so I can easily share any kind of printer, but it's good to have an additional feature, especially with no upgraded price. This is even cheaper than the previous one I bought around 2 years ago. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The regular paperwork, power cable, additional power cable, which is really good. This one is fused, you know, if you are going to permanently connect it at one place and you are not planning to take it somewhere else, you better using this one because it has a built-in fuse that will protect your printer in case of a high voltage or something. 2 cartridges. More paperwork. I'm looking forward to use this machine really for an additional what happens if you photocopy videos, if you know what I mean. If you're really following me since a little while, I did some funny videos using the previous one and I ended up missing it permanently. It is not working anymore as a photocopier since I cooked some Indomie inside it, and I'm still using it as a printer though, but I will throw it away after I finish the cartridge inside it, and I will be using this one for the next videos for what happens if you photocopy anything that may ever cross my mind. And you also feel free to suggest anything that you would like to see me photocopying using it. It is such an innovation, my friends, to have such a multi-functional photocopier for such a very low price that I bought it for. It's around $31 and I almost buy those 2 cartridges alone close to that, like $25 or even $30. So it's like a disposable photocopier. It is just good value for the money. I know that a lot of you, my friends, do already know how to install black and white and color cartridges, but for the sake of those very few who don't know how to install a cartridge, I will show you exactly how to do that. So let's power it up. The power supply built in, you know, it's much better than having a bulky one outside of the printer. Well, it has a perfectly clear LCD, my friends. I didn't expect that it would have such a clear LCD. It keeps scanning the area for Wi-Fi connections. Here it shows you the black and color cartridges, and I'm sure it will show you the percentage as well and the number of copies. You can find an additional details about the printer on this included manual as well. You may want to check it out. I'm just not a manual guy, I don't check it on this. It is very complicated gadgets that I really need to look at the manual. So let's install the cartridges. It's very easy, very simple task really. Each time I open these cartridges, it feels as if it's edible, you know? Feels like I'm opening a muffin cake or something. It's just how it feels. They are putting it inside some case that makes it feel like it's Twinkies or Ho-Hos or whatever. Okay, so this is the color one as the sticker shows you in here. The purple is right here. And you have to hear that loud click each time you install it. It's really funny, I don't know, maybe you tell me in the comments as well. But they seal it in a way that seems like it's edible. Of course, I'm not encouraging anyone to eat any cartridge of any kind. So voila, we correctly installed them. It is reading both black and color cartridges. I think it can print without even opening this main door. So if I didn't open this door, paper would still find its way out of it. So as always, that was it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and the ultra affordable HP 3-in-1 printer, and for sure subscribe to help us create more contents like these, and feel free to ask me anything in the comments down below and drop your suggestions as well for what would you like to see me photocopying. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.